Man, you spilled fluid all over the ground.
It got on my hands.
You know what we need right now? Is a rag.
Yeah. With magnets.
Like a mag rag. So we just pulled up to Loopy's this morning to snag the F100 frame. The bed, of course, is already at the shop. The cab and the front end are still in the truck. Motor and everything's been pulled, so we're gonna get it loaded up, get it to the shop, strip down, and start prepping the frame. All right, so we just got Loopy's 1973 F100 unloaded and pushed in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and start disassembly, but we're gonna take our time doing it, making sure we bag and tag every piece and put it away. This is gonna be one of those awesome restorations, gonna have a decent chunk of money in it. We're gonna make sure everything's done right and every part and piece is touched. We're gonna start by removing the hood, the fenders, the core support, and getting it just down to a bare cab, then shoving her forwards and lifting the cab off with the lift. Here we go. Right. Let's mark some stuff off the checklist. We try to stay organized and keep things on the checklist so we can get some stuff done. We got the hood drilled and pulled off, the hinges pulled off, core supports out, front fenders are off, the doors are off. All right, now what's left is to strip the front frame section and pull the master cylinder, the brake booster, and the steering box. New motor, new fuel system, new injection system, new filter. We ain't reusing that. So we've got the majority of the front end cleaned and stripped. Core supports out, fenders are off, inner fenders are off, doors are off, steering gearbox is out. All that's left is taking apart some of these wires. We're gonna go ahead and label those, strip those apart, shove them back in the cab, and getting the booster off.